Okay guys, so I have spotted another error, which is that we have not incremented this from here to this status, but I have incremented. What you have can do is you can just press select the text and then click on this tab. You have to do it from the status data to this print. Okay, so I have already done it, that's why I will not do that. So now if you print the file, let's run it, let's see what we get. Okay, so it is running, but we got an error which says anonymous namespace. So what that means is you have to download this pip requisites to solve it. It is just a protection issue, not any. There's no error in your code. It is just a protection issue from your system. So you have to install this pip request bill ccc etc. Okay, you have to install this module, and after that when you try to run it, it will run perfectly. So that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial I will show you how you can create a graph for this web detection project. Okay, so thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.